I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Now search and select an action Pipedrive. Give here the Pipedrive API token, so please visit Pipedrive API token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a module. Choose an organization. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to the Pipedrive site and go to the people. And you can see that the data came successfully in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.